Hi, I'm Ken from DevSamurai. Welcome to AgileBox Tutorial Series. This video is a step-by-step guide for you and your team on how to run retrospective on AgileBox. Let's get started. First, access AgileBox on the Jira sidebar. Here's the AgileBox interface. Choose retrospective and we're in. Press new meeting, then fill in the details. Let's call this one Sprint 1 Retro. Next, choose your template. You can select from popular system template that DevSamurai has prepared for you or create your own. To customize, click New, then input your template's title, description, and the topics you want to include. We recently published a blog post about the original 4 template. Let's quickly create one to show you how it's done, and at the end of the video, I'll show you where to manage your custom template. Then pick the team member for this retrospective. In advanced setting, you can show the reflection column, have a countdown timer for the session, and furthermore, you can choose if the reflection your team contribute will be anonymous or public or only available for the facilitator to see. Press create when finished. Let's start our retrospective, hit join to enter the meeting, and let's wait for everyone to come in. Now we begin. You can interact with your team through the built-in live chat by expanding it here. The main difference between having a timer and not having a timer is the teams only allowed to input their thoughts when the facilitator hits start. As a member, the interface will look like this, so when they finish with their input, hit ready. As the facilitator, you can check whether all team members are ready to conclude the retrospective by checking their status here. When everyone has finished putting ideas into the column, we can hit next to move from reflect to group step. If your reflection don't have tag like what you're seeing here, or you would like to turn off the tag, simply open the setting and select all the select sort of reflection column. At this step, we can sort and group similar ideas together, getting it to understand the reflection and brainstorm to see any rising themes. Any reflection that you are not grouping will automatically sort it into other group. When ready, press next to go to the voting round. At any stage, if you want to revert to any previously, simply choose the state you would like to go back and press restart. Your retrospective will still stick around, so feel free to add more ideas and reflection as you and your team see fit. When the voting is done, hit next to move to the discussion round where the team can talk about the next step. What action that the team can take to improve, you can add new issues, propose action, designate priority, and assign to particular members to take actions. When you're finished, don't forget to wrap it up by thanking everyone for their involvement and their honesty, and run through the list of follow-up items and who's in charge of that. And that's how you run retrospective with AgileBox. Experiment with the features and let us know what you like. And bonus, as mentioned before, to manage all your custom retrospective templates, access AgileBox from here. You can create global planning poker, manage custom planning poker deck, custom retrospective template, and create team. We also have a help section that includes all information about AgileBox. That's how you run retrospective with AgileBox. Experiment with the features and let us know if you have any question. Contact us via this email and we'll assist you right away. Don't forget to subscribe and follow DevSamurai for more agile and project management tips. See you in the next video.